PBC Linear now offers a line of miniature rolled ball screws and nuts. They are designed for precision applications such as medical devices and electronic manufacturing equipment. Diameters available are 6, 8, and 10 millimeter, with short and long leads available for each diameter. Choose between flanged and cylindrical ball nut styles for your specific mounting needs. If you need machined screw journals, we offer standard designs, but custom designs can also be provided. All PBC Linear ball screws and nuts are designed, manufactured, and stocked at our headquarters in Roscoe, Illinois, USA. When this product was planned, our team was challenged to launch with a range of screw diameters having both short and long leads. This was to meet industry needs for both precision and high speed. Accuracy grades 7 and 10 are standard. Grade 5 ball screws are also available.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.